See egusi soup now, shake and make you balance am. So guys, let's start by adding our washed goat meat to the pot. Yes, it's already washed and cleaned. So I added in some onions, 2 nut cubes, and salt to taste. I also added some curry powder. So I just covered that and allow it to steam a bit. So now I'm going to be adding some water so that the goat meat can cook. I'll go ahead and add in my shaki and my cow tribes. So I'll just stir everything together, cover and allow them to just cook. While our meat is cooking, I'm going to be blending my onions, tomatoes, and scotch bonnet. I'll just add in some oil to my pan. You don't want to cook that too much, so I'll go ahead and add in my blended peppers. Let's cover that and allow it to fry while I blend the egusi. I just added water and blend it. So back to our sauce, I added in nut cube and a little bit of salt. So I'm just going to stir that. Yeah, our sauce is almost ready. So it's time to add in the egusi which I blended. Take a look at that, guys. So I'll just stir this and allow it to fry. You don't want to skip that part. You have to fry this until it's dried. So I'll just keep on stirring, keep stirring until it's fully fried. So right now I'll add in some meat stock here. This is the meat stock we got from our meat. So we are going to be adding it little by little. I also added in some fresh pumpkin leaves, yeah, and also some dried bitter leaf. I added about 1 tablespoon of dried bitter leaves. Take a look at that yummy goodness. So you just have to keep stirring because you don't want your egusi soup to get burnt. Right now, I'll go ahead and add in the remaining meat stock. Take a look at that soup now. Hey, take a look at that yummy goodness. So I'm going to add in some fish fillet. Yeah, that's the fish my kids like eating. They don't like fish with skin, so I always add that for them. So I add in the remaining orishi, all the beef, all the goat meat, and all that good stuff. So we're just going to stir that and allow it to cook, the final cooking, so that everything. So I also go ahead and add in my blended crayfish. You guys know we are not missing that part. At this stage, our soup is almost ready. Let me know in the comment section what you're bringing. Are you bringing fufu, semo? What are you bringing? So I just add in grilled abi smoked fish, abi grilled one, anyone, and then I tasted for salt. I added more salt. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.